Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the page you want to change. Log into WordPress and go to Pages, find and open it. Once the page loads, click Edit with Elementor to enter the visual editor. In Elementor, make sure you see the gear icon at the bottom left and click it. This opens page settings where the current slug and permalink live. Do this now so you can change the URL structure without losing context or breaking navigation links. Now you edit the actual permalink. In the page settings, switch to the permalink or advanced tab and locate the slug field. This is the editable part of the URL. Type a concise, SEO-friendly slug, use lowercase letters, hyphens between words, and avoid special characters. Once entered, click Update in WordPress to save the change. Then use View Page or Copy Link to confirm the new URL. Doing this ensures search engines and users see a clean, predictable address. Finish by verifying everything works and handling redirects. After updating, test the new URL in a private browser tab. If you see a 404, go to Settings, Permalinks, and click Save Changes to flush rewrite rules. Make sure you update internal links and menus that pointed to the old URL, and update your sitemap or notify your SEO plugin. If the old URL was indexed or linked externally, create a 301 redirect so you preserve traffic and rankings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.